Yes, I bought another bag I don't need. Hey everybody, and welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen, and we have a Coach unboxing today. Let's get to it. Yeah, it's another black bag. This is the Coach Hitch Backpack 13 in natural grain leather. I saw this was on sale on the boutique website, and I had to go for it. There may be a few left. It does seem to be a fairly popular item. It is in the men's section. I was having a real hard time deciding between the black leather and the signature coated canvas. I really wanted to try a signature coated canvas bag, but I didn't really like the black hardware. I wanted the silver hardware that the leather version has. So let's start taking off. There's always so much stuff on here. And this is a mini backpack, and I will put the dimensions on the screen. It is 8.25 inches tall, 5-inch length, and 2.5 inches in width or depth. So cute little bag. I just couldn't resist. I figured if I really didn't like it, I could return it, I guess. I've been eyeing this bag for months, and I saw it was on sale. So I know. I probably need to sell a few bags, quite honestly. I think that's going to be my project this year, is trying to downsize my collection a bit. So let's try to open these guys up. Oh my gosh, yeah, the silver hardware, I just felt like it would wear better over time. And while I like the coated canvas a lot, I thought the leather would be a bit more of a timeless style. So that's why I decided to go with the leather. But the canvas was so appealing, and I almost went for that. All right, let's check out the bag here. Let me try to take off all the stuff here. It is a little bit different than the website photos. The listing photos had this back little section. This is not leather, but I thought it was going to be black. But then I saw another used one on Mercari, and it looked the same as this. So I was like, okay, ooh, this does have a scratch on it. I don't know. What do you think? And here's the thing. I've had no issues with my Coach outlet bags. I've only had issues with the boutique items. Like, what do you think? Do you think the scratch is a big deal? This is actually a magnetic closure. Okay, so the inside lining is sort of a black microfiber faux suede. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it was a good deal, so I'm not super mad about the scratch, I guess. I don't know. It comes with this web strap, and how you wear it, it just hooks on this top ring and then on one of the side rings. So it's a little mini backpack, and it has little side pockets. These look a little bit hard to get into, so I don't know how useful it'll be. Maybe you could put like some lip products in here, or I've got like a hand lotion. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think that scratch is a huge deal? I mean, it's gonna get scratched up a little bit anyways, I guess. And I did get it on sale. I kind of leaning towards no. All right, so here's the inside. It's got a slip pocket in the back. It's got the story patch here. I know that's kind of hard to see. So you could put some little things in here. All right, it's got a car, some tags and stuff. It is real easy to open and close. So this is the Hitch Backpack 13. Okay, we're back, and I think I got all of the packaging off so you can see a bit more of the bag up close here. I think it's beautiful, really cute, and I got some leather conditioner, and I'm gonna try to put a little bit on that spot with the scratch to see if I can sort of buff it out or like blend it in or something. And this is just the Cadillac brand. I will link it down below in the description box. I do have some affiliate links, but I bought everything featured in this video. Okay, yeah, the scratch is definitely like less noticeable. And I bought a Mira bag a while back, and I had some issues with the leather finish. So I don't know if this dye for the leather goes all the way through or if it's just on the surface. It's not perfect. You can only see it in certain angles. So how you wear the backpack is you hook the strap, and it is pretty comfortable feeling. The webbing is soft, so it's not quite the seatbelt material. It's a bit softer. You hook this top ring, and then you can decide if you want to wear the bag on this side or this side. So it's a little bit different. It's like wearing a one shoulder. You know, when you used to wear the one shoulder backpack in the 90s, you'd wear your backpack like that. It's sort of like this. So if I hook it here, and yes, it does have the Coach hang tag. So you can wear it off your shoulder either on this side or the other side, depending on what your preference is. You could wear it on the front of your body, the back of your body, just on the side, whatever you want to do. I also have the Revel 24 in the signature jacquard, but it has leather trim, and that one had a little bit of a scratch on it too. I don't know if it's just my experience, but every single Coach boutique bag I've gotten has had little flaws, but the bags I've gotten from the outlet are perfect. It's so weird. I did return the pink quilted Coach Mira because it had some real issues with the finish. It would have been cool if it had 2 rings up top so you could wear it more as a crossbody, I guess, but I do like the style. And yeah, don't overlook the men's section. They can have some pretty good stuff in there. Let's also do a quick what fits in here. So I've got my Le Petite Paris 15 bag by Dress Up Your Purse. This bag seems a little bit smaller. I was not really expecting that. I would have guessed it was a little bit bigger. 6-ring key holder from Dress Up Your Purse. I've got my Coach card holder. And the other option that the backpack came in was this canvas. We'll put this in the slip pocket so for ease, so you can get it in and out real quick. I have an iPhone 13 Pro with the case on. All right, that fits real easy in here. I was really hoping I could get the lotion into this side pocket, but it's not gonna fit. So let's see what I can get in the, oh, and one nice thing is this bag does stand up on its own, so that is cool. Some pens, tampon, I'm getting everything out of here. This is a real mini bag, so you are gonna have to kind of pick and choose what you put in here. Okay, I think I can get the lip product in here. This is a Dior lip gloss. All right, will this, okay, that kind of fits. It's actually a little bit tall, but if you have a lip product that's not quite as, like this is a pretty tall one with this thing on it. I'll have to get something else. I'm gonna put my key holder in here. That fits in there. Am I gonna be able to get my lotion in here? Oh geez. Yeah, kind of barely. Yeah, you're gonna have to be real selective with this one. You can fit a pen in here. Hair tie in the side pocket, I suppose. Okay, I've got a little Laneige lip sleeping mask. All right, that, I think, actually this is too wide for the pockets, so this might be a little too mini for me, honestly. And I can fit this at the top. So you can fit some stuff in here vertically. I am a little bit disappointed. It's a little bit smaller than I was even expecting. This is a NYX Butter Gloss, and this does kind of barely fit. It's kind of poking out. You can do shorter lip products. You can even get sort of chunky containers, but yeah, look at this. You can't put anything that's like real tall in this side pocket. So the side pocket, I don't know how useful it's gonna be. I was really hoping it would be able to fit my lotion in there so that I could take that out of the mix. I really like the bag. I think it's super cute. I'll be real, I was not expecting it to be this small. It's very mini. Like it won't even really fit my daily carry stuff in it, so I'm not sure how I feel about it, honestly. So I'll have to think about it. Let me know in the comments, do you think I should keep it or do you think I should return it? Because it's a little smaller than I was expecting. So again, this is the Coach 13 Hitch Backpack. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and what fits. Check out some of my other videos here on the channel. And I'm gonna have to think about this one because I'm not sure this is gonna work for me. But I'll see you guys again in the next one and have a great day.